Hey guys, welcome back to S&S RC Plane. Today we got a Hobby King Viper Jet 64mm. I picked this up 2 weeks ago for an incredible price of $139. It's on their bestseller list. It's one of their best-selling jets. So today we're gonna open this thing up, review it, and see what it's all about. All right, let's check this thing out, guys. What do we got in the bags? Oh yeah. Packaged pretty nice. I love the colors on this, guys. Not going to have any problems with the orientation on this. Wow, look at the colors. Let's take it out real quick. Is it sealed up? Sorry, guys. You think that's green? Green enough? Wow. Definitely won't have any problem with orientation. A bit of dirt. Viper 64. Air vent. Nice hard plastic. Standard servos. Viper 64. Foam hinge. Regular foam hinge. Look at that. Flaps, guys. Ailerons, flaps. We got servos. They're covered up with a matching green, which is nice. It matches. Tape over the servo wires. Hard plastic mount for the gear. Hard plastic mount for the screws. Control horns are green. Everything's green. Must be for the winglets. Pretty sharp for $139. So far, so good. Let's see what else we got, guys. There's a wing. I don't want to break anything. My good razor blade broke, guys. I got to get another one. Elevator. Very nice. I really like this color. You know, sometimes I have a really hard time. I get high up telling orientation and shouldn't have any problems. That's a big plus. Big plus. It's not going to match the sky. Tape over it. Looks like we have probably a carbon fiber rod of some sort going through. Stiff. Foam hinges. Plastic mounts for the screws. Is that foam or? Yeah, it's foam. Whoops. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Smooth. Nice. Not all dented up, dinged up. Alright. We got the winglets. Nice shape, not all dinged up. Nice finish, very nice finish. Same as the other one. Nice finish. Winglets that go on the end. There's no paint there, so you don't have to scrape any paint off when you glue them on. Very nice. We got the gear. Look, I know everybody wants retracts, but on a 64 millimeter, it's very tough. The one thing I really like about this so far is it has flaps. On a 64 millimeter, at least the gear are a spring-loaded gear. Pretty stiff. Tires are a little stiff though. Not quite as stiff as, well, maybe as stiff as the Hornet from FMS, but they're pretty stiff, but you do got spring-loaded. So those are nice. Got the other side. We got the front. Nice finish. Aluminum. It's got a set screw to tighten on for the front. Very nice finish on these. Them over there. We've got package with a few package in it. They are ball links, it looks like. We got nice ball length, push rods with brass. They're not plastic. That's nice. Got nice little brass balls in there. Brass balls are better than plastic balls. Everything's labeled. Rudder push rod, flap. They've all got the brass insert. Elevator. I mean, it is a little extra work. You know, FMS, you usually don't have to put them on. We got nice black Allen key, probably 2 or 2.5 millimeter, or maybe 3. Allen key screw heads. Velcro in the bag. Sure, for your battery. Nice. We got some servo wires in the bag. Nice. And this is probably to, I would imagine, join the wings together. Hard plastic. And they do give you the Allen key in this one. Alright. The meat and potato, guys. The favorite part. Well, it's my favorite part anyways. The fuselage. I can tell you right off the bat, there's no pilot. I'm going to take this thing off. Oh, that comes off nice. Nice latch. We've got a nice big canopy. It's very clear. It's not foggy. It does have a sticker on the, it's a tandem seat. It does have a sticker on the dash of the gauges. A little hard to see. Nice clean cockpit. It looks like they were going to put a guy in it. They have the, usually they got the piece of balsa wood with 2 screws in it holding the guy in. But this would be excellent for FPV. Very good candidate for FPV. You would, have to either cut open the bottom or slice the glue and take the cover off and then re-glue it, or just go into the bottom. But it is very big and open. Very clear, nice bubble canopy. It's in nice shape. Very nice. And we got the inside of the fuselage. Steering servo for the front nose gear. Nice big thick Velcro strap that is not going to rip or break. Nice. Balsa wood bottom for the battery. And they did give you separate Velcro if you want to use it or not. Some people don't like using the Velcro. It's got an XT60 connector, which is great. I love using the XT60s. There's plenty of room for the batteries. This does take a 6S, and you can put two 3S batteries in series or a 6S. I'm going to use two 3S in series. Got your servo wires. This is a plug-and-play version, so you have to supply your own receiver. Now let's get a better look. Let's see. It's hard to do with. Oh, it locks into place. I see. Push it forward, it locks it. Pull it back, put it down, push it forward, locks it. Let's get a look at this. Hard plastic nose. Not going to dent that up or break it. It's hard plastic. That's nice. Look at the finish, guys. Look at that. Very nice. It's got a hard ring for the EDF. 12 blade EDF. And look at that. A rudder. A working rudder. So this has aileron, elevator, flaps, rudder. Look at the finish, guys. Beautiful. For $139. And it's 6S. Wow. Alright, guys, in case you wanted to see it, here's the undercarriage. It's for the nose gear. Air to go in for the EDF or to cool the ESC. Because I believe the EDF air goes through there's a hole in the wing. There's the ESC. 12 blade EDF. Cover to get into the EDF. I mean, this color pops. That is sharp. That is one sharp jet. I like this a lot better than the FMS Hornet I bought, just by looks. And I'll be honest, it's in better shape. It's not all dinged up. I had a lot of dings and stuff on my FMS Hornet. And for their staple, plane, it was supposed to be the top notch they produced. It had more dings and dents in it than, I didn't care for it much. But this is beautiful. I love the colors. Fantastic. And guys, remember, for plugs, anything, batteries, I have a Hobby King link, affiliate link. It won't cost you any extra. But if you're having a hard time finding any of this stuff, it is in the links in the description below my video. Thanks a lot, guys. And until next time, make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you then.